Hey guys, Robert from the Mailroom here. So I've seen a bunch of videos about, and we're making videos about how to style straighter hair and how to get volume and all that stuff, but we rarely focus on curly hair. So today I'm making a video that's how to style curly short hair. And I think we have a lot of people that have curly short hair and they just don't really know what to do with it, so they just end up wearing a hat. So first thing we need to do is shampoo and condition the hair. So we're gonna walk over to the shampoo bowl, wash my hair, and then we'll come right back. Alright, so now that I've washed my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put in product because we don't want to blow dry now, but we want to put in like a pre-styler. That's kind of the key to curly hair, is you want to pre-style it while it's wet and then kind of leave it alone. The most you want to do is blow dry with a diffuser, so I'm going to use a medium hold pomade. This is our Nold Forest, or you could use our medium hold 2X. I like this just because it's an oil-based pomade, so it cuts down a bit on the frizz, and it kind of seals in moisture and keeps my hair looking really moisturized for a couple days. Because the biggest problem I have with my hair is that it'll start looking really, really dry and fuzzy, and I hate that so much. So this really kind of locks the curls in, but I hate when I've used gels or oils in the past, because those always get really crunchy, and then the second you touch your hair, it just breaks and it's back to fuzzy. So we go back here, and my hair's still wet, so I'm just gonna start crunching in the product. Notice I'm not smearing. I'm not like smearing it and pushing it a lot. I'm just squeezing the curls, kind of crunching it all into place. I just want to like kind of maneuver them to where I want them to be. The biggest thing here is that you just don't like rake through them or comb them or anything like that, because you want them to lock up pretty naturally. Cool, so now that we've got product in my hair, I'm gonna wipe my hands on the towel real quick. From here, I usually just let it air dry, and it just stays exactly like this, and the curls kind of lock into place where I want them. But for right now, I wanted to show you guys another thing you could do if you need it to be dry like right now. So I'm gonna grab my blow dryer, and I have the diffuser attachment on there. And what this does is it lets heat get to your hair without a bunch of air pressure getting to your hair. So how you want to use this is you'll turn it on, and you'll turn the airspeed all the way to the lowest setting, and then you'll turn the heat to the highest setting. So with those settings, I'm gonna start blow drying my hair, but it's really important that I've seen a lot of people take this and try to actually curl their hair with it, like they'll actually touch it to their head. You don't want to do that, because that just breaks up the curls, and that much heat on your scalp can really damage your hair, and it hurts. So you want to hold it a little bit away from your head, like this. Notice I stay moving the whole time. Cool, and that's it. So really what you want to make sure you do with curly hair is that you just don't overdo it. You don't style it too much. You don't try to mess with it too much, because the idea is curls are natural and you want to let them naturally form. Your hair is going to form into that curl pattern, so and it's going to form that way when it goes from wet to dry without being messed with too much. So if you're getting out of the shower and you're just really scrubbing your hair and then maybe you blow dry it, it's just going to be fuzzy and straight and kind of messy. So when I learned how to actually just let my curls do their own thing, it really changed things for me, because I used to hate having curly hair, and I would blow dry it and straighten it and slick it back, and I was just constantly fighting it. But now that I know how to actually work with it and let them do their own thing, my hair is just super easy. I mean, you saw that took like 2 or 3 minutes to style my hair, so my hair is way easier to control now since I know how to do this. So the steps are shampoo and condition your hair, use a pre-styler, and then either let it air dry or use a diffuser. So hope this was really helpful, guys. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.